Unfortunately, the oxalic acid didn't make a huge improvement, but it is what it is. So the next step is putting the chair back together. Before I can do that though, I'm going to have to address these sections of rotten wood, as you can see there. So I'll chisel it out and put some patches in. Now that I have an idea of the extent of the rotten wood, I can start considering the size and shape of the patch. So I'll mark it out. Okay, the rotten wood's been patched in. Feels mechanically sound. Next step will be putting the chair together.